Okay, let us have another work example. Let's say we have log 100 base 10. Now let's find the expression for this. Don't forget that 100 is equal to what? 10 raised to the power of 2. You understand? Which is what? 10 times 10. Which is also the same thing as what? 100. Is that not it? So for this, I'm going to have log 10 raised to the power of 2 base 10. Do you understand? Now, we have gotten to this point. Which rule are we going to make use of among these rules? Of course, I'm going to make use of rule 4 because according to that rule states that the log of a number raised to a power is the product of the power and the log. Do you understand? So I'm going to make use of rule 4 because I'm having log of 10 raised to the power of 2 base 10. You understand? So for this, I'm going to have 2 multiplied by log 10 base 10. You understand? And according to another rule, logarithm of a number to the same base is what? 1. According to the 6th rule. Have you seen how these rules are interwoven? You understand? So logarithm of a number which is 10 to any base is what? 1. So for this, we are going to have 2 multiplied by 1, which is what? 2. Do you understand? So please, I want to master all these basic concepts so that by the time we proceed to a complex one, you are going to understand. So this is this, and 2 is the final answer to this question. So let's try another question. Let's say we have log 243 base 10. Okay. Now I'm very sure you can. Okay. Let me put base 10. Let's have base 3. Log 243 base 3. Now, to simplify this, don't forget that 243 is equal to what? 3 raised to the power of, that is 5. Because that is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. 27 plus 3 is 81. 81 times 3, that is what? 243. You understand? So I'm going to have log 3 raised to the power of 5 base 3. You understand? So we have gotten to this point. I'm going to make use of the fourth law, which states that the logarithm of a number to a power is the product of that power and the log. You understand? The logarithm of a number to a power is the product of that number and is the product of that power and the log. So for this, the logarithm of 3 to power of 5 is the product of 5, which is the power, and the log. You understand? That is log 3 base 3. And from the 6th rule, we have noted that logarithm of a number to the same base is what? 1. So for this, I'm going to have 5 multiplied by 1, which is what? 5. So we have solved that again. Okay, now I want you to try this by yourself. So this log, let me just think. Log 5, okay, log 25 base 5. Now what's the answer? Try it. Pause the video, try the question, then when you are done, play the video again and to check whether your answer is correct. It's very, very simple. We are just going to express 25 with respect to our base. Our base is what? 5. Is that not it? So I'm going to express 25 as in powers of as the exponent of 5. You understand? So 25 can be written as what? 5 raised to the power of 2, which is what? 5 times 5. Abi? So that is log. For this, we are going to have log 5 raised to the power of 2 base 5. Is that not it? So this will be written. This will be equal to what? 2 log 5 base 5. Is that not it? And we are told that logarithm of a number to the same base is what? 1. So 2 multiplied by 1 is what? 2. So the final answer here is 2. You understand? If you got it right, kudos to you. If you didn't get it right, you are also well done, but you have not done so well. Try watching the video and understand. Okay? So now let's have another work example. Let's say we have we are asked to simplify this. Log 7 base 2. We are asked to simplify log 7 base 2. Oh no, 2 log 7 base 2. What are you going to do in this case? Let me write it here. 2 log 7 base 2, abi? So this can be written as log, according to, we are only going to reverse this law, you understand? We are going to reverse this law, default law, that is the logarithm of a number to a power is the product of that power and the log. So we are going to reverse it. For this, I'm going to have log 7 base 2. So this 2 is going to come on this top of 7. So I'm going to have log 7 base 2 raised to the power of 2. You understand? So 7 raised to the power of 2 is what? 49. 7 times 7 is 49. So I'm going to have log 49 base 2. Do you understand? So if I want to express this as this again, I can do that. Is that not it?